So today I want to talk about pine oil, which is an essential oil. Now, what is an essential oil? Well, it's not similar to vitamins that you have essential fatty acids or essential amino acids, and those are required because your body doesn't make them and you need them from your diet. In this sense, essential means the essence of the oil of a plant, okay? So it's kind of like what gives it its fragrance. So pine oil comes from the pine tree, the Christmas tree. So they take it from the stump, the needles, the cones, the twigs, and they concentrate it. And it has some real interesting antimicrobial properties. And it used to be the ingredient in pine sol, but now they took that out. And pine sol is a disinfectant, it's a cleaning agent. But what I want to talk about is the pine oil that you can consume or put on your body or inhale. It's great for if you have dandruff or you have itchy skin, achy joints, respiratory infection, because bacteria hate this oil. It'll help disinfect bacteria, viruses, funguses, candida, and Lyme. Okay, so if you have Lyme, this could be a great remedy to help put this thing back in remission. And then E.coli, okay, and salmonella, and many other types of infections. So how would you take it? There's three ways. You can use it topically on your skin, take it orally, or breathe it in, okay? Now, if you're gonna take it topically, let's say you're gonna put it on a joint that is arthritic, or you have pain, or in your skin, let's say you have dandruff or psoriasis, something like that, you would rub it in, and all you have to do is take 2 drops and about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, mix it really good, and use that as the salve that you rub it into the joint or your scalp. Now, if you're going to take it orally, you want to take 2 drops in a glass of water and drink that slowly. But that's really good for some internal microbial infections that you have that, let's say, you want to speed up the results with, because these microbes are repelled from pine oil. So in this situation, let's say you had Lyme or you had some type of respiratory tract problem, you can actually do this. And the last way is breathing it in, okay? If you have a respiratory problem and you want to speed things up, you just put 2 drops in the container of fluid, okay? And you start slowly breathing this in your lungs, and it will greatly help you. And one last point, always start out with a very small amount just to make sure you're not sensitive to this substance and you don't have a reaction to it. And then if you don't have a reaction, go ahead and do more, because pine oil is super concentrated. Thanks for watching. Hey, if you're liking this content, please subscribe now, and I will actually keep you updated on future videos.